So the NBA playoffs proper tip off this weekend. And quick prediction here. The winners will come from one of reigning champions, Oklahoma City Thunder, the Denver Nuggets, or the San Antonio Spurs, all from the West. Bad luck for LeBron James though. Losing Luka Doncic in the scoring form of his life and the much improved Austin Reeves, the top two offensive weapons on this Lakers team, both out indefinitely injured on the eve of the playoffs. That is nothing short of sadness for LeBron James. Not even the biggest LeBron haters can expect this man at this age and stage of his career to drag this Lakers team to be even competitive in this first round series against Kevin Durant and the Houston Rockets. To expect a 41 going 42-year-old LeBron to work miracles with this depleted Lakers team is maliciously unreasonable. But guess what? He is LeBron James. So Lakers in 6.